Hi everyone, a very bright morning. I'm Sindhu and welcome to the new Monday Motivation series. Come spare the next 2 minutes with me to understand the importance of book reading. There is a famous proverb which says, "A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one." Whether you're a CEO of a most reputed company or a software engineer or a doctor, books can help you to reach higher and stay at the top longer. Let's look at reading habits of few millionaires who make the top of the world today. Warren Buffett claims to read 500 pages a day. He stated that he devotes about 80% of his time to reading. And the man who unleashed Microsoft, Bill Gates, reads about 50 books a year. And we all know he's the most knowledgeable person in the world today. In 2015, Mark Zuckerberg pledged to read a book every 2 weeks. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, and other larger than life tech companies, somehow seems like he finds time to read. So, if all these people who have all their schedules occupied can find time to read, can't we find time to read? We definitely can. It's much easier to play a game or put on a movie, but it's much difficult to sit down and focus on a bunch of words. I get that. World is too hyperactive for such stationary act of reading. But that doesn't change how important it is. It's relaxing, it's eye-opening, and it's mind-blowing. Doctors recommend that parents should read with their children from as beginning as infancy and continue reading through elementary school years. Reading with your children builds warm and happy association with books, increasing the likelihood that kids will find reading enjoyable in future. It increases their vocabulary, raises their self-esteem, and builds good communication skills. Reading books is about 30% better at eliminating stress than taking a walk, and it's much more effective than listening to music, playing games. For these reasons, reading is also great at reducing depression. In fact, it's so relaxing that it will also help you sleep better. A relaxed brain has much easier time shutting off than a stressed and restless one. So why wait for the right moment? Go grab a book. Start your reading journey today. Thank you.